Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cleaning hack. I can't tell you how many times I wondered which is the proper way to clean my wooden spoons and spatulas. You know you shouldn't put them into the dishwasher, and washing them by hand it feels like it's not getting rid of all those oils and debris that is absorbed by the wood. Today I want to show you the proper way to deep clean them. You will be amazed by the result. Wooden utensils can accumulate oils and food during use, so place them in a pot of clean water. Bring it to boil and keep boiling for 20 to 30 minutes. By boiling them, the wood expands and allows the rancid oils to be pulled out. You can already see them in the water. Look at the water. You can see the oils at the surface. Have you ever thought how gross your wooden spoons are? Wooden spoons absorb flavors, odors, oils, moisture, sauces, etc. You have to make sure they have a long life and they are properly cleaned and sanitized. Even strong odors like onion or garlic can get stuck into your wooden utensils. Using this method, you will get rid of all those strong odors. If you think that washing your wooden utensils is enough, look at this water. As wooden utensils are porous, they tend to absorb water. Like all other organisms, bacteria need water to survive, meaning that wooden spoons could be teeming with germs and microbes. If your water is too dirty, you can boil them a second time using fresh water. You can see all the residue that came from the spoons.
No, I won't stop. It is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way.
My wooden spoons were disgusting. I will boil them for a second time. This way I will be sure to have clean and disinfected wooden utensils. It's very important to have clean utensils in your kitchen.
Repeat, I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when
You will see even the second time the water gets so dirty. When you finished boiling them the second time, just leave them to air dry until the next day. They will be like new. I hope today's video inspired you to go into the kitchen and deep clean all your wooden utensils. On my channel, I have a lot of videos like this. I hope you will stick around. If you're interested, I will link my cleaning hacks playlist at the end.
yeah, I know what it's like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day.
I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!